Hello, welcome to my channel Learn It Do It. Today I'm going to show you how to make this dress and how you look backside. So I'm going to show you how it's look like. Sleeves and this part I made with mesh. The others all I made with little bit stretch fabric. Backside, if you want to make any part with mesh, you can do it, or you can cut whole piece with this fabric. So I draw my whole basic bodies with full waist dart, and I draw also bust radius 8 centimeter wide both sides. So first I'm going to make new neckline 3 centimeters, this side 3 centimeters and down 3 centimeters. From this end point of your sleeve you mark 5 centimeters and this side 9 centimeters. Here you mark from center, middle of center 5 centimeters. Now you draw a nice curve from this side and this side. Here I make 3 centimeters up. For this point you join this line, okay, 3 centimeter up, 5 centimeter. Now you draw a line from bust point. This side you make 2 centimeters and the other side 1 centimeter, join with bust point. This dart we are going to remove. Also this side 1 centimeter and this side 2 centimeter. So I'm going to cut from, this is with mesh, I'm going to cut out this. Now I'm going to take this dart and this dart to bust center front. From bust center front I take these two darts to here, because when you are going to sew here and later you are going to stick application blue flowers, you cannot see this dart. This dart is hide with applications. So I cut with this dart until dart point and close this. cut so I mark 3 centimeters. You are going to sew until here, not here. Okay, so you leave it 1 centimeter sewing allowance and cut. Okay. Take a piece of paper because you have to make nice curve here, and do not forget sewing allowance this side. Okay, first I'm going to stick this part. This is bust point. You mark 3 centimeters and connect with dart legs. So now you can see all 3 parts. This is mesh part. So I'm going to show you. When you are going to sew this dart, this one here, look how you look at it. So you can decorate. You close where dart plates place. Okay, look. Front bodies finish. Now we are going to make back side and skirt part. So I trace my back body and 3 centimeters neck wide, 3 centimeters deep. check whether you have same measurement. Yeah. If you want to make mesh part, you can separate from here or here, whether you want. I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to sew that here your zipper, and with sewing allowance cut. So now I'm going to make skirt part. You trace your basic skirt. First I'm going to make narrow little bit, 3 centimeters inside, also this side 3 centimeters, and connect with hip line. Okay, now you draw a line from this dart point to here. I think here, yeah, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters down, and draw a line to dart point. Cut through this line, close this dart. So you can see I close this dart first and mark 15 centimeters from bottom of the skirt. You mark 6 centimeter up and make a nice curved line. So this part, so what I'm going to do now, look, cut through these lines and make flounce. So you can see here now I cut through these lines and spread. Make a nice curve again, and also here. So now you can see after you cut with sewing allowance, this one as a pleat. Okay, and this you sew here, and this is your back side. You sew with back side together, and back side you turn it. Now you have your frill. Look, this is your back side. And sleeve, you draw your basic sleeve. This is my basic sleeve. I'm going to cut this one with mesh fabric. So this is my all pieces. Front, after you sew, you decorate with application, and sleeve, back side, front skirt, and back skirt. Here your zipper. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoy with my tutorial, and if you are satisfied, please subscribe to my channel. Learn it, do it. Until next time, stay happy and safe. I'm Sandhya. Thank you for watching.